I just want to introduce myself. I'm Joanna Marie Banate Acosta. I'm 40 of age. I'm living here in United Arab Emirates. To be honest, mixed emotion. May halong kaba at excited. Kaba kasi tinatanong ko sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba itong kurso na kukunin ko. And excited because kasi may makikilala ko na kapwa student ko. And I think twice before I joined the Filipino Academy. So nung I started to join Filipino Academy, parang mas nag-build yung confidence ko sa sarili ko. So, ayun, nag-determination ako na ipagpatuloy ko yung nasimulan ko. Yung biggest impact sa akin is yung kurso kong business management. Paggawa ng business plans. Although I'm not a businesswoman, so talagang double research ako nun. At saka nagkaroon ako ng idea because I'm planning to have my own business someday. Actually, may moment na parang gusto kong mag-back out na mag-join dito sa Filipino Academy. Pero sinabi ko, no, I can't. Kasi sayang yung pinang-enroll ko, yung pera na actually sponsored by my companies. So sabi ko, go lang, itutuloy ko to. Kasi yung company ko, especially my boss, they trusted me a lot. At saka naniniwala sila sa kakayanan ko na mas kaya kong gawin kung ano yung ginugusto ko, yung hadikain kong matapos yung goal ko. Since I've done my business management course, mas nag-level up yung confidence ko sa sarili ko at saka determination ko na gamitin yung pinag-aralan ko at since manager ako, mas gagaling ang pagiging manager ko kasi mas marami akong natutunan about financial, marketing strategy, and how to deal with other people. Dream ko talaga since before na gusto ko magkaroon ng mag-aral ng business management. So, nalaman ko to, nag-research kasi ako ng school and I searched Filipino Academy. So, may course silang business management. So, sinabi ko sa boss ko na, "Sir, I want to study." "Okay, go ahead. Give me the details." Agad-agad. So, binayaran niya yung school fee ko. Tapos, talagang tinuloy ko siya. Grabe, ang dami ko natutunan, especially with Miss K. Napaka-excellent niya magturo about lalo sa marketing strategy, financial status. So parang may apply ko sa pagiging manager ko yun and how to communicate with people, with your staff, with your colleagues. Sa mga nagplaplano na mag-enroll o mag-aral sa Filipino Academy, go! Don't waste your opportunity to study kasi diyan mag-uumpisa yung career mo or yung buhay mo. Yun sa pinipili mong course, make it sure na gagamitin mo o magagamit mo yun to enhance your career to more skills, diba? Sabi nga nila, do the best what you can. Allow yourself to be a beginner because no one begins with excellent. Nagpapasalamat ako first of all sa company ko, sa Desert Barbell, with my boss, Mr. Marco Cipolat, and my other bosses. Thank you so much kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito sa Filipino Academy, hindi ko matutustusan yung pag-aaral ko. At saka, thank you so much because you're very supportive. And so, mga ibang colleagues ko at saka to Miss K because she's a very great and excellent trainer. Filipino Academy, thank you so much kasi naging part kayo ng success ko. At saka, thank you so much sa pagtitiwala ninyo. Habang buhay kong nasa puso tong Filipino Academy kasi nung nag-graduate ako ng business management, so laking bilib ng boss ko sa akin. So parang nag-iisip sila na i-promote na naman ako. So additional points na naman sa career ko to. So talagang thank you so much, FA.